Cryptocurrency's dark side exposed in a drama that's worth billions. Step into the shadowy world of Jian Wen, whose staggering $2.5 billion Bitcoin stash became her downfall. This saga not only captivates, but also signals a critical pivot in the ongoing debate over crypto's place in global finance and crime. In the heart of the UK, a story unfolds that's set to shake the foundations of the financial world. Jian Wen, a name that until recently evoked no particular significance, has now become synonymous with one of the most staggering fraud cases in the history of cryptocurrency. Wen was found with a mind-blowing $2.5 billion in Bitcoin. The discovery of this magnitude in digital currency, hidden in plain sight, raises questions about the security and oversight of decentralized financial systems. It's a wake-up call to the world, highlighting the urgent need for more robust measures to prevent such colossal frauds. Wen's ascent from the humble beginnings of a flat above a Chinese restaurant to a lavish lifestyle is a narrative that captures the extremes of fortune's wheel. Her monthly residence in North London, costing an exorbitant $21,000, stands in stark contrast to her previous life. It's a tale that echoes the classic rags to riches story, but with a dark twist. The law's gaze turned to Wen, not just because of her newfound wealth, but because of the speed and secrecy with which it was amassed. Her lifestyle became a beacon for suspicion, and eventually led to her unraveling. Here's where things get juicy. Wen tried to buy a $30 million mansion, but she flunked the money laundering checks. Despite her claims of striking it rich with Bitcoin mining, the authorities weren't buying it. These were the red flags that ultimately led to her downfall. You've got to wonder, how did she think she could slip through the net? The plot thickens as we delve into the investigation. Detectives seized Wen's 48 electronic devices and had to sift through thousands of digital files. What they uncovered was a tangled web of money laundering, intricate and vast. So when it came to the courtroom, the gavel falls, and just like that, Wen's convicted. This isn't just any conviction, though. It marks the UK's largest Bitcoin seizure to date. It's a moment that challenges everything we thought we knew about cryptocurrency and its role in modern crime. This case has thrown a spotlight on the broader implications of cryptocurrency in criminal activities. We're talking about serious debates, with the US Treasury Department and NASDAQ reports weighing in. It's a pivotal moment that's shedding light on the evolving nature of money laundering. As the crypto world watches, this case could herald a new era of digital asset scrutiny and regulation, transforming how cryptocurrencies are perceived and policed worldwide. In the wake of this unprecedented case, the crypto community is left to ponder the balance between innovation and regulation. As this story fades into crypto history, it leaves behind a legacy that will undoubtedly influence the future of cryptocurrency regulation around the world. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure to keep up to date with all things digital dime.